Who is it?
Probably just the handyman here to fix up bocce balls.
Hi there, young lady. I'm Jamie the handyman. I heard you had a hole that needed to be filled.
We have liftoff on Operation Thirsty Housewife. Repeat, we have liftoff.
饺子为参加基佬边边向前冲，在房间里开始了训练。墙壁被他的橄榄头撞出一个大洞，皮特带上专业工具前来查看。
Beep, beep, beep. Looks like I found the stud.
见皮特还是一如既往的不靠谱，路易斯决定还是找个上门师傅到家里来整。第二天，一位荷尔蒙爆棚的装修师傅就敲响了家门，那结实的身体和浑厚的声音，看样子是给了路易斯不小的视觉冲击吧。杰米的动作专业的同时也不失优雅，在场的所有人都看得两眼放光。
I didn't say you could be in this.
很快，杰米就干净利落地把墙修补完成了。路易斯想叫他明天再过来通通下水，但杰米劝路易斯多攒点需要修的物件，因为自己是按小时收费的。
So for tomorrow, could you fix a few windows, a door ripped off its hinges, and a thermostat that was smashed with a fire poker?
当天下午，皮特带克里斯网恋奔现，这正好给了路易斯可乘之机。2个半小时的精心打扮全都被梅根看在眼里。隔天，杰米在那里兢兢业业地修窗户，怎料门外已经打成了一片。
Everything okay?
路易斯把梅根拉到一旁，问他要搞什么鬼。然而他却表示路易斯已经有皮特了，所以杰米应该属于自己。但路易斯也有他的苦衷，嫁给皮特本就不易，他现在只想趁着皮特不在，闻一下杰米的头发，帮自己再撑过几年的婚姻。奈何梅根1万个不同意，于是2人开始了明争暗斗。
Hey, there's the birthday girl.
What are you talking about?
Hi, I'm with Kasabian Sheep Shearing. I'm here to shave Meg's back.
为了告诉杰米自己不是老葱，路易斯讲起上次去医院护士差点给自己挂了耳科。另一头，梅根亲自给杰米做了饼干，路易斯也不甘示弱，端着柠檬水走了出来。怎料梅根耍起了心眼，他悄悄拧动草坪的水龙头，吓得路易斯连连躲闪。结果他脚下一滑，直接撞上了梯子，杰米失去平衡摔到了蹦床上。杰米被电得直冒烟，但这家伙居然一点事都没有。3天后，家人为他举办了哀悼会。上帝想要盖个房子，所以特地召回了这位优秀的工匠。正当路易斯悲伤地望着杰米的画像时，一个和他长得一模一样的人出现了。
I can't. You look so much like him.
Jamie was my twin brother.
Oh, you must be so sad. Are you also a handyman?
No, I'm an inner thigh masseuse, specializing in moms in their 40s.
You must need a hug.